When it comes to cryptocurrencies, there are so many of them out there, and it probably leads to you having a lot of different questions about where you can find information out about all of these different cryptocurrencies. Whether it's a mainstream crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or a very low market cap altcoin, you need to be able to find out information on it, even if it's as simple as what its market cap or token price is, or even where it's traded and how to find out who the founders are. And that's where CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko help us out. So what these websites allow us to do is to find out a general market overview and oversight of what's happening across the board in crypto specifically, but also what's happening in these specific projects. Again, whether that's Bitcoin or a very low market altcoin that you've never heard of before. Now, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko are competitors to one another. Really, the only main difference here is that CoinMarketCap has around 33 million active users a month, and CoinGecko has around 8.5 million users active every month. And CoinGecko might have more low market cap altcoins and more newer projects, whereas CoinMarketCap may have fewer of those low market cap and newer projects on there. But again, both are great resources and something that our team utilizes on both of these ends actively almost every single day. So let's explore how to use CoinMarketCap first, and then we're going to go through CoinGecko as well. So with CoinMarketCap, as soon as you load in, this is the page that you're going to get. And from here, you can see that we have all the cryptocurrencies listed in chronological order by which ones are the largest by market cap. Now, if you don't remember, market cap is the representation of if you were to sell out the entire circulating supply. What that means is that if you were to sell however many coins are in the market, and that's going to be different for every project, but for Bitcoin right now, we can go and see that the circulating supply is just over 19 million Bitcoin. So if we were to sell off all of that Bitcoin at the current market price, that's how we get our market cap. And that's how it sorts this. It's essentially saying that whatever projects are worth the most in descending order. And so we go from top to bottom from things like Bitcoin to Ethereum to Tether and BNB. And as you go down this list, you may recognize names, and the farther down you get, you may actually recognize less names than you do at the top. And that makes sense. But what we're able to see right from the homepage is the ability to sort through a variety of different metrics, where that is cryptocurrencies and all of their different rankings in here, or even the different exchanges, whether it's a spot exchange or derivatives or even a decentralized exchange. We can also filter information by NFTs and create our own portfolio and watch list, which we'll learn how to do in just a second as well. And at the top, it will give us major news that has come out, although I don't use this as my number one news platform. I think there's a lot of other great websites for that. But when we're looking at this, we can see three other options. We can see recently added coins, the biggest gainers on the day that are listed on CoinMarketCap, and then finally, the first one is trending, which coins are actually trending through social media and other metrics. Now at the very top, we can see how many cryptos are listed on CoinMarketCap, the amount of exchanges that they have listed, the total market cap of the entire cryptocurrency market, both Bitcoin and all the altcoins. We can see the past 24-hour volume, and we can also see the market dominance of Bitcoin and Ethereum and the current price of gas, whatever that may be. Right now, it's just at 47 Gwei. When it comes to actually sorting through these cryptocurrencies, of course, we can see that in the beginning, we can see the ranking of the crypto, the specific crypto project, and then we can also view the token price, hence why this is all listed out here. And so we can see all these different metrics, whether that is token price or the 24-hour change or the market cap, even things like the volume and circulating supply. And you're actually able to customize this menu by clicking on the Customize button and then adding in any other information that you may want. Say if something that you would like to look at is the dominance or the total value locked, or maybe even that's the total or max supply. You can add in all these metrics with just the click of a button. And so you'll see when I click, it will appear up here. And if I would like to change where this is located, all I have to do is drag it and then hit Apply Changes. Now from here, if I want to find out even more information on a specific project, maybe one on that's way down here that I don't even want to go through and scroll and find, all I have to do is search. So if I want to look at something like Gala Games, all I have to do is type in the word Gala, and here it is. It'll come right up for me. So from here, now that I'm clicking on this, I can see a lot more specific information about this project. So if I'm wondering all of the different tokenomics, then I can come to here and see, okay, well, they have a market cap of 1.5 billion. They're down about 2.5% today. Their fully diluted market cap is right here of about 7.5 billion, just over 7.5. I can see their total 24-hour trading volume, as well as their circulating supply, their max supply, and their total supply as well. Now, also from here, I can view a little bit of information about what's happening on the different charts, and I can change these timescales. You can even see a little bit of an activity feed on the side of what people are saying about it, and also just a general description of what Gala is, where it can be traded, and other metrics like this. So if I want to learn a little bit more about a project and I don't want to go to their website, I can just stay on CoinMarketCap and read about it. Now, as we scroll down over here, or I guess rather scroll back up, we can also see where this cryptocurrency is traded. Now on here, all we have to do is switch from overview to market, and now I'm going to see all of the different exchanges that it's listed on. Now, take note, we can also view the volume on these exchanges. So if you go all the way down to a bottom one down here, you'll see that the volume gets a lot lower. Like, you don't want to trade a cryptocurrency that only has about $7,000 in volume. It's going to be very illiquid, it's going to be hard to trade, and you're going to have something called slippage, which means that you're not going to get cryptocurrency at the price that you think that you're getting it at, or even that you want to get it at. Now, if we scroll back up to the top, we can see that the most popular exchanges are listed here by volume, and also we can see the confidence level and their liquidities and things of that nature. Now, if you want to view even more information about this cryptocurrency, like what categories it's in, that's also going to be listed up here. And we can furthermore see the contract address. So if it's an ERC20 token, or you need to find out what that contract address is, it's going to show you right here. And so all you have to do is copy this if you ever need it. But we can go and view all this information from a singular source in place, which is quite a nice tool to add. Now, finally, we can also view their website and different links that they have here. So Gala, for example, they have a little website right here, and all you have to do is click on it and it will reroute you to their website. And so this essentially allows you to eliminate maybe going to a malware site or the wrong site by accident. It's nice to have this from a reliable source where all you have to do is click and it's going to bring you to this location. So there really is a lot that you can do. And let's just say that you found a cryptocurrency that you really like and you want to add it to your watch list. All you have to do is hit the star up here and you can add it to the watch list that you have created. And you can actually create multiple different watch lists. I have one for just primary coins that I like. I have ones for low market cap altcoins that I like. And I have categorized this into different ways just to keep myself organized. Now, CoinGecko, on the other hand, is very, very similar to CoinMarketCap. If you can navigate CoinMarketCap, you can navigate CoinGecko. And if you can navigate CoinGecko, you can navigate CoinMarketCap. They're almost a mirror of each other. But what this allows us to do is we can do pretty much everything that we just said about CoinMarketCap. We can do this in the same fashion. If we want to find a cryptocurrency like Gala, all we have to do is type in Gala. And if we open it up, it's going to show us a very, very similar page where we can view the contract address, their website, all the tokenomic information like the price of the coin and how it's ranked, as well as their different supplies and even their market cap and trading volumes. So if you are ever curious about a project and you want to find out more about it, I would definitely utilize CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko as a source to find this information. And even if you like a project and you want to learn about their social media, that's another way for you to find this information. Again, we're on CoinGecko right now, but from here we can see that they have a Reddit community and a Twitter community and a Facebook community, and they have a Gala Games chat and all these different things that we can view and easily access from a single place. And much like CoinMarketCap, if we want to view where something's traded or even just basic information about it, all we have to do is scroll down and we can see some more information on Gala. We can see the different Gala markets and where it's traded. And we can even view all the trading pairs if we want to. And it's going to give us a full list of exchanges, whether that's centralized or decentralized, which is a really nice feature to have. So this is essentially just a single one-stop shop hub to find out base level tokenomics about a cryptocurrency. For example, we use this to find a cryptocurrency and see, okay, what's its ranking, where is its social media, and what is their trading volume? How many coins do they have released to the public? And that's how we'll use this. So if we come and we view that they only have 0.1% of their coins released to the public, that's a good thing to know, as opposed to if they have 90% of their tokens released to the public in their circulating supply. Or if their trading volume is $200 million versus $200, that's also a very useful thing to know, so that you can know that when I go to purchase this cryptocurrency, am I gonna have issues purchasing it? Is it gonna be liquid? Is it gonna be trustworthy? Do they even have a website or social media? And that's how we use things like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, so that we can better find this information. So again, make sure to utilize both of these tools. They're very useful, they're very helpful, and you can search for things pretty easily through the search bar as well.